I'm Frank Weisskopf. Tooling Technology Supply is a special cutting tool manufacturer here in Greer, South Carolina. Our main focus is on new productions. We make projects together with the customers for special cutting applications, and we are fast delivery and high-end quality. I'm in the business since 1994. When I started my company, it was not easy to make decisions about machinery because I didn't really know what I can buy or what is on the market. Started with ZOLLER. I didn't regret it because it's always a good relationship. It's like family, and equipment, of course, is top-notch equipment. You can make tools the first time, maybe 10 tools for tests, and they work fine. But you have to ensure that the tools work in a long run. So therefore we have to be on the safe side with our equipment, how we measure the tools. The Genius is one of the machines where you can measure pretty much everything on a tool, like rake angle, clearance. We always looked for a solution to avoid any downtime on the measuring machine itself. ZOLLER came with this CAD software, which was, in my opinion, right away a total go. We started it, we tested it, and we worked quite a bit with ZOLLER, what could be better. The CAS program is literally my virtual measuring machine. So that means even if the tool is not done yet, I can export my 3D file from the program I have, design my measuring program, and when the first tool is done on the machine, the employee can go right on the Genius, can pull up the program and can measure the tool. That's the biggest advantage, because if you imagine you have a tool with a lot of steps and a lot of features, you standing there maybe for half an hour, to get this program done. This is not acceptable because we lose a lot of time. In the meanwhile, you could have ground another tool or maybe two. With the CAD software, you can just program the tool independently and it's done. The hop check, you can literally measure the hop completely, the form, everything. Without a hop check, you couldn't do it because you have to be tactile on the hop to measure the profile and all features you need to measure. It's a necessity to have the hop check, if you want to really approach this business and the hop resharpening. We had to have some measurement equipment which is independently from any human measurements. So that means we needed a CNC machine. So we started with the Smart Check first, which gives us the opportunity to measure all kind of forms with the lasso function, for instance, or even steps, and in the normal way you measure a tool. Easy to use, you have all these pictos which are self-explained. You can build your own program and it's easy for the employees as well. And you still get an accurate measurement, all the time. So if you're loyal to a machine manufacturer, you grow with them as well, you see the development, you see their development as well. This is the main thing, with all the ZOLLER equipment. It's not that we want to make the quality, we just ensure that we have the quality, and we ensure this for every single tool every time. You have your machines and you make your product as good as you can with all these machines, and it will be good because you made the right choice with the equipment.